Good morning, students. Today we will study divisibility rules, means for a rule for the dividing. So you can take out page number 83. Okay. So one number is divisible by another if it can be divided with no remainder. So when any number is divided by any other number, means exactly that is divided. So there are some rules to know how we will know that particular number will exactly divide the particular number. So there are some rules for divisibility, rule for 2, 3, 4, 5 and likewise. Okay. So first rule for the divisibility is rule for divisibility rule by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if last digit is an even number, that is number and with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the rule? A number should be and with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the number and with this, means if number and with the even number, जिस नंबर के लास्ट में 0 हो, 2 हो, 4 हो, 6 और 8, जैसे कि जस्ट यू राइट एग्जाम नंबर 40, 32, 36, 28, 39. Now you can see which number are divided by 2. So you can see here 0 is their last digit, it will divided by 2. 2 is the last digit, it will divided by 2. 6 is the last digit, it will divided by 2. 8 is the last digit of 28, it will divided by 2. But here is the 9. Is there in this rule 9 is there? No. 0, 2, 4, 6 and only 8 should be there. Okay. But here is 9. But here is 9. So it means this number will not divided by 2. So what is the rule? Only there should be last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6. Means लास्ट डिजिट क्या होना चाहिए? या तो 0 हो, या तो 2 हो, या 6 हो, या 8 हो, तभी आप, या नंबर कितना बड़ा भी हो, किसी भी कितने भी डिजिट का नंबर हो, बट पहला जो लास्ट डिजिट है ये 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो अगर ऐसा है दैट नंबर विल डिवाइडेड बाय 4. अगर नंबर 44 है ये डिवाइड होगा 2 से. यस, बिकॉज द लास्ट डिजिट इज 4, इट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ओके. So this is the rule for 2. Now what is the rule for 3? These are the example like 6, 28, 36, 58 is divisible by 2. What is the rule of 3? The rule of 3 is to a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Sum of digit means suppose number is written like, suppose one number is you have 38. So what is the sum? Sum means you have to add this 3 and 8. So 3 plus 8 you have to add. You have to get the sum of this. 3 plus 8, 11. Now you have to check, can I divide this 11 by 3? पहले आपको ऐड करना है. 38 है तो हर डिजिट को ऐड कर दो आप. 3 plus 8 कितना मिला? 11. 11 को आप 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो एग्जैक्टली? नो. इट मीन्स this number 38 will not divisible by 3. It will not divisible by 3. Okay. Another example you can just, I will take it. Okay. Another, suppose I just take 36. Okay. So you have to add 3 and plus 6. What you will get? 9. Okay. This 9 can I divide? क्या इस 9 को आप, क्या हम इस 9 को 3 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can divide. Exactly. 3 3s are 9. It means this 36 will also divided by 3. Exactly. So this is the rule. One more example we will see. Suppose I take 108. So I will add 1 plus 0 plus 8. So 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9. So this 9 आपको हमेशा इसको चेक करना है. इस ऐड डिजिट्स को ऐड करने के बाद आपको ये देखना है क्या वो 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. एग्जैक्टली. It is 3 is divisible, is 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. So it means 108 will also divisible by 3. Okay. So see here, like 215. So 2 plus 1 plus 5, 8. So this 8 is not divisible by 3. So this number will not divisible by 3. Got it? Okay. Next we will see that rule for the divisibility by 5. So what is the rule for divisibility by 5? A number is divisible by 5 if last digit, if the digit at one's place 0 or 5. 0 or 5. So same like here, you can see here, here is the last digit even number for the means the number, that is number and with the means ones place, that is for the 2. If the ones place there is like 0 2 4 6 8 the last digit or the ones place. Same is here, same kind of rule for this 5 also. If the ones place means the last digit, okay, that is 0 or 5, so that number is divisible by 5. So like example you can see 20. So in 20 you can see in the 20 what is the last digit? 0, so it will be divided by 5. Suppose I write here 35, so what is the last digit? ones place 5, last digit और ones place, लास्ट डिजिट देखे ना या वंस प्लेस जो भी हो एक ही चीज़ है। तो ये जो लास्ट डिजिट है या वंस प्लेस पे क्या है? 0 या 5 होना चाहिए। 0 या 5 है तो ये नंबर किससे डिवाइड होगा? 5 से। ओके, सो दिस इज द रूल फॉर 5, divisibility rule of 5. Now next rule is divisibility rule for 6. So what is the 6? All numbers divisible by both. Both means that number should be divided by 2 also, by 3 also, then it will be divided by 6 also. 6 का क्या रूल है? वो नंबर 2 से भी डिवाइड होना चाहिए और 3 से भी। अगर ये दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वो 6 से भी डिवाइड होगा। दिस इज द रूल फॉर 6. In another word, what we can say, a number will be divisible by 6 if one digit is even and sum of the digit is divisible by 3. It means, इसका मतलब क्या है? ये दूसरे वे में ये बोलना चाहता है कि अगर वो नंबर का लास्ट डिजिट, ठीक है, या वंस प्लेस का डिजिट, ओके, वंस प्लेस का डिजिट, ओके, वो क्या हो? इवन नंबर हो। इवन नंबर मीन्स लाइक 0 2 4 6 8 मीन्स 2 का रूल जो था, 2 वाला रूल, अगर वैसा है और उस नंबर को ऐड करने के बाद वो 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा मीन्स 3 का रूल, ठीक है। 3 का रूल यही था ना, सम ऑफ द डिजिट डिविजिबल बाय 3। सो अगर वो 2 का रूल और 3 का रूल दोनों फॉलो कर रहा है, इट मीन्स वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा। दैट इज द रूल फॉर 6. इट मीन्स दैट इफ ए नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय बोथ 2 and 3, दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 6 आल्सो. So see here 18. 18 means ones place, one digit is, okay, ones place is 8 or the first digit is 8, okay, even number, okay, so it will be divided by 2, okay. 1 plus 8 9, so that is the rule of 3, so it will divided by 3. It means it is divided by 2 also, it was divided by 3 also, it means this will also divided by 6, okay. Now 32, इट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 32 आप देखो 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है बट 3 से हो रहा है, नो, 3 + 2 5, सो 5 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा। इट मीन्स ये 6 से भी नहीं होगा, दोनों से होना चाहिए, 3 से भी 2 से भी, ओके। 3 2 दोनों से, 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है, देन इट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 6 आल्सो, ओके। लाइक 45 2 से नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे बट 3 से हो रहा है, बट ये 6 से होगा नहीं होगा, क्यों? बिकॉज इट शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय बोथ 2 as well as 3 आल्सो. सो दिस इज द रूल ऑफ divisibility rule of 6. Now next is divisibility rule for 9. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? 9 is that a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digit is divisible by 9. So same rule like 3, the rule for 9 is also same. 3 और 9 का एक ही जैसा रूल है, बस क्या है यहाँ पे भी बस वही है, सम को 9 से अगर डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वो होगा डिवाइड 9 से। 4 + 5 9, सो 9 9 से डिवाइड होगा, सो ये भी होगा। 3 और 9 का रूल एक ही जैसा है, ठीक है। 3 + 7 + 8, 3 + 7 + 8 18, 18 इज डिविजिबल बाय 9, यस, सो इट विल डिवाइड बाय 9. 1 + 1 + 5, so 1 + 1 +, so it will be 7, so 7 is divisible by 9, no, so it means it will not divided by 9. So 3 and 9 both the rule are same. So what is the rule for 10? A number is divisible by 10 if the digit is at 1 is 0. Last digit is 1 is, sorry, last digit is or ones place digit is 0. So that number is divisible by 10. Means जिसके लास्ट में 0 आ रहा हो वो सारा नंबर किससे डिवाइड होगा? 10 से. Got it? और क्या है? द नोट द नंबर विच आर डिविजिबल बाय 10 आल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 5, क्योंकि वो 5 के रूल में भी आ रहा है ना, जिसके लास्ट के डिजिट में 0 आता हो तो वो 5 से भी डिवाइड होता है। और 5 का रूल क्या है? लास्ट डिजिट शुड बी 0 और 5, और 10 का भी रूल क्या है, 10 का रूल है कि लास्ट डिजिट 0 आना चाहिए। इसका मतलब क्या है, जो नंबर 10 से डिवाइड होगा वो 5 से भी होगा। गॉट इट? So this is about the rule. So now we will solve exercise 6e. Here one more thing I want to add, because in your book it is given only divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, but they have not given divisibility rule of 4 and 8, so that you also know. It's very easy for the divisibility rule for 4. So what is the rule for 4? Very easy, only you have to remember last 2 digit. Last 2 digits should be divided by 4. Last example you will understand. It means, suppose number is like 924. Last 2 digit means you have to check this last 2 digit. आपको ये लास्ट 2 डिजिट देखना है, लास्ट 2 डिजिट मिल के कितना बन रहा है अभी, सी 24। क्या ये 24 डिविजिबल है 4 से? यस। सो इट मीन्स दिस 924 विल डिवाइडेड बाय 4। अगर ये कोई नंबर है 10,036, आपको 4 से डिविजिबल होगा या नहीं, दैट वी हैव टू सी। आपको क्या देखना है, ये लास्ट 2 डिजिट यू हैव टू सी। 36 डिविजिबल है 4 से? यस और नो? यस। ओके, सो इट मीन्स दिस नंबर, होल नंबर 1036 विल डिविजिबल बाय 4. So this is the rule of 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So this is the rule for 4. Got it? And one more for the rule for 8. Divisibility rule for 8. So what is the rule of this? Last digit, last 3 digit should be divided by 8. So as here you can see, here it was last 2 digit. Okay, and here is last 3 digit. Here it was 2 digit only for the 4, for the 8 last 3 digit. Example you can see. Example, suppose I have taken 9,824. Okay, so here what you have to see, last 3 you have to see. Last 3 means these 3 you have to see, means up to 100 place. In the case of when we what is the rule for 4, we have to see only ones and tens place. In the case of 4 means 2 digit we are taking up to 10th place, but in the case of 8 we are taking 100 place, means 3 digit we are taking. Now it is 824. So can it is divided by 8? Yes, it is divided by 8. So it means 9,824 will also divided by 8. So this is the rule for 4 and 8. So both are almost similar, only number of digits are different for the rule for 4 and 8. Okay, now we will solve exercise 6e. So encircle the number that divisible by that number divisible given on the left. So first, what is, which number will divisible by 2? So that we have to circle. So all the even numbers will divisible by 2. So here is 46, 38, 280, 420. So these all will there. So likewise you have to circle. Suppose for 9 I will just take. For the 9, what is the rule? It should be add and divide. So of course 36 will divided. Yes or no? Yes. 117, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 will divide by 9. So it will be also 217, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2. No, it will no. 315, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9. So it will divide by 9. 459, check out, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 will divisible by 9. Yes, so it will divide by 9. 620, no, because 6 plus 2 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8, 18. 18 is divisible by 3, sorry, 18 by 9. Yes, so circle it. 893, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 3, 20. So it is not divisible by 5. So likewise you can see which number is divisible by particular number. All the numbers you can check according to their rules. Like 6, what is the rule for 6? If number is divisible by both 6, 2 and 3, like 30. Okay, like 114 is divisible by both, like 54 also, 804 also, because 804 is divisible by 3 also and 2 also, 156 also. So likewise you can do it. Okay, next question is true or false. We have to write true or false is that a number is divisible by 2 is necessary divisible by 6. No. What is the rule for 2? 2 को डिवाइड के लिए क्या रूल है? सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट इवन नंबर होना चाहिए, मीन्स वंस प्लेस का डिजिट इवन नंबर होना चाहिए, 0 हो, 2 हो, 4 हो, 6 हो या 8 हो, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि 6 होना, 6 से डिविजिबल हो. सो दिस इज़ योर, what is it? It is your false statement. So this is your false statement. Okay. Next is a number. If a number is divisible by 8, it can also divisible by 4. It is true. If a number is divisible by 8, it means also divisible by 4. Yeah, true. This statement is true because in the case of 8, how many digits it is divisible? How many digits it should be divided? 3 digits. So of course if 3 digits is divided by 8, so 2 digit will also divided by 4 also. So it means this is true statement. So this is your true. Only odd numbers are divisible by 3? No. Odd numbers are no. This is false. Okay. Like 55, it is divisible by 5. Okay. So it is not necessary odd numbers are divisible by 3 only. 475 is divisible by 6. You have to check it. It is divisible by 2? No. So it is divisible by 3. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So no. So it is not divisible by 3 also, not by 2 also. So this is false. Sorry, it is not divisible by 6. So it is true. Surely it is not divisible by 6. So true. So this is because we are not able to divide by 6. Only the number which have an odd number of 0 at end are divisible by 10. False. Because what is the rule for it? There should be 0 only. Okay. What is the rule for 10? Divisibility rule of 10. There should be last digit, the ones place digit should be 0. So this is your false. Okay. This is your false statement. Next is all numbers divisible by 3 also divisible by 9. Is this correct? No. False. Because the rule is quite different. Because the sum of the digits should be divided by 3. And what is the rule for 9? Sum of the digits should be divided by 9. So there is no any similarity. Only similarity they have follow the same pattern. But it is not true that which number is divisible by 3 they will also divide by 9. Okay. But only in the case of 8, which is divisible by 8, will also divisible by 4. Okay. Only in the case of 4 and 8. Okay. But not in the case of 3 and 9. Okay. Okay. So you just remember this all, try to learn the rules, divisibility rules of 2, 4, 6, 8 and all this. Okay. And solve this exercise. Okay. Thank you.